Hello everyone. In my yesterday's video, I discussed the RE model. Today I will be discussing the pi model. Now let's see the pi model. In the pi model, we have a resistance R pi and Gm into VBE as the current. Now here we have a new parameter called the Gm. Gm is nothing but the transconductance given by IC by Vt, where Vt is the thermal voltage. Now comparing to the RE model, we see that beta RE is nothing but same as R pi, which is equal to beta by Gm. So from the equation here, we can also conclude that RE is equal to 1 by Gm. So whenever this is for common emitter configuration. Whenever we have the transistor in pi model, this is how we replace it, with a resistance of R pi and the voltage across that is nothing but V pi, which is same as VBE, as this is the base and this is the emitter, which is VBE. And on the collector side, we have a current called Gm into VBE, which is a dependent source parallel with R0. R0 is nothing but the output resistance. Now let's see a complicated problem to explain this. We are asked to find the voltage gain of this particular circuit. Here we see that there are two transistors which are connected to each other. One is in the common emitter configuration and the other one is connected to the base of the other transistor. We have an AC supply called Vin, a DC supply called VCC, resistors and capacitors. Now the first step is to short all the capacitors and the DC voltage. Now one thing to remember here is, if I short CE, my RE will also get short. So basically there is no RE in the AC equivalent. Now let's see. For the first transistor, this will be my equivalent. I have a Vin. Since VCC is short, R1 will be parallel to R2, R1 parallel to R2. Now I will replace the first transistor with its equivalent in the pi model as R pi Gm into VBE, and which is connected to the ground, as collector is also grounded. The voltage across R pi will be VBE. Now the emitter of the first transistor is now connected to the base of the second one. So this will directly be connected to R pi of the second transistor, and Gm into VBE will be in the collector side along with RC parallel RL, and these two capacitors will be short, so there is no RE. RC parallel RL, and rest all will be grounded, and we have to take the output here V0. Now according to the circuit, what is V0? V0 is nothing but minus Gm into VBE into RC parallel RL. So that is my V0, and from here we can see that Vin is same as VBE, since they are parallel, and in parallel voltages are same. Now we have both V0 and Vin. So now our voltage gain AV is equal to V0 by Vin. So minus Gm into VBE RC parallel RL divided by VBE. VBE will get cancelled. Minus Gm into RC parallel RL is my voltage gain. Gm is nothing but IC by Vt here. I hope you now understood how to draw the equivalent circuit in small signal analysis. Please like and share the video. Thank you.